Hey guys, and today I'll be filming my squishy collection. I tried to put them in order by brands, but they're not going to be completely in order. So first I have this Milli the Whale squishy. And this is the original. Snowy. iBloom Hoka Hoka Bun. A yellow iBloom Hoka Hoka Bun. This is Tanker. Baby Tanker. And here's the packaging. Another Tanker. Just kidding, this is homemade. iBloom Cat. Bread Doll. And this is the packaging. This mini bread doll. iBloom Peach. This other iBloom Peach, and it has this type of packaging. English bread. Punimaru Shibu or puppy. Tiger. Punimaru Panda Bun. Punimaru Jumbo Strawberry. And this comes with like this little acrylic tag here. Then I got another strawberry, but this is a little bit darker. Yummy Bear Donut. Punimaru Jumbo Pancake. Hello Kitty Christmas Donut. Hello Kitty Powdered Donut. Another powdered donut. Hello Kitty donut with sprinkles. This cracking chocolate bar. Hello Kitty cream puff. Cafe Dien croissant. Sugar bun. Macaron. Another macaron, and this is like the older version. This powdered donut. This bread roll. Cafe Dien macaron again. Cream puff. And then I have the older version of the Cafe Dien cream puff. Cafe Sakura cream puff. Rilakkuma tack cream puff. Rilakkuma in a cow costume. Rilakkuma tag strawberry. Cafe Dien ice cream. Ayama Tokyo melon toast. Melon bun. Cake roll. Jumbo chocolate cake roll. Waffle. Then I have this capybarasin ice cream sandwich. Capybarasin pancake. Capybarasin. Capybarasin bun. Jumbo king banana. Mini king banana. Ochipan. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. Little twin stars macaron. This Japanese snack, if you guys know what the name is, please let me know in the comments. Panda. Mini bun. Bear School ice cream cone. This rabbit. A sports snail. Breado roti toast. Breado toast. Breado donut. Cake roll. This banana cream breado donut. I think this is blueberry. Got a Goody Murphy bun. Another Goody Murphy bun. This breado bun. Comes with some stickers. Breado torto. Breado macaron. Ikaru and Friends wrist pad. and a pig. A Chawa loaf. Jumbo chocolate Chawa loaf. Cutie creative loaf. Another cutie creative loaf. Jumbo royal soft. Marshmallow cake. Marshmallow, did I just say marshmallow? I don't know. This Kibiru, some sort of bread, I forgot what this is called. This Eric loaf or rolls. Jumbo Kibiru cake. Jumbo chicken leg. This Puni Maru. This one is super squishy and I just love this one. It smells like coffee. Hello Kitty donut. This replica Hello Kitty donut. Panda bun. And another panda bun. Jumbo peach. Taiyaki fish. Chopper bun. Face bun cake roll. This is like the I Am a Tokyo cake roll. Face bun. This face bun. This one. And this one. Kwailan bun. Mamasheba. Rilakuma in a mushroom. This apple. Hamburger bun. This mochi. And this is one of those like flour squishies. Just like this bread one. It's like stretchable and it has like some sort of weird flour in there. I meant dough. Gudetama pudding, and this is a water squishy. You squeeze it and it squeezes out the little Gudetama. Mini Royal Soft Domo mirror. This Mama Shiba squeeze toy. It just pops up this little Mama Shiba dude. Corn dog. Skull. This loaf. Sammy prototype waffle. Another Sammy prototype. This is also prototype, and this is the last prototype. I Bloom shortcake. Penguin bun. I think this is called Batsumaru. Sammy waffle. This replica Mother Garden squishy. Bun. Onsen cheeseburger. Golden mango. Sentimental circus. I'm not sure if this counts, but it's like a squeak toy. Donut. Mini panda bun. And these are some of my first squishies. So it has this Rilakuma bean bun. Rilakuma toast or kiratori. Cat mushroom. Rilakuma bun. Curious George lemon. So this concludes my squishy collection, and this is not all. The rest are basically common squishies. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like this video if you did, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!